In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email contact list in Outlook. If you want to send emails to a group of people without typing each address one by one every time, creating a contact list in Outlook is a simple and useful solution. It helps you stay organized, saves time, and makes group communication much easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can set it up quickly. To begin, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create the list. Once Outlook is open, look for the People section. This is where your contacts are managed, and it's the place you need to go to create and organize contact groups. After you click People, find the option that says New Contact List. Select it to start creating your list. This will open a new window or form where you can enter the details for your contact list. The name you choose here is important because this is what you'll search for later when you want to send an email to the whole group. Try to give it a name that is clear and easy to remember, such as something based on a team, project, or purpose. Next, enter the name of the contact list in the name field. Once that's done, start adding the email addresses you want included in the list. Be careful when entering each address so there are no typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent your email from being delivered properly. As you add contacts, you're building a group that Outlook can use whenever you want to message everyone at once. You may also see a description field. If available, add a short description to help identify what the list is for. This can be especially helpful if you plan to create multiple contact lists in the future, because it makes it easier to tell them apart at a glance. Once you've entered the name, added the email addresses, and filled in the description if needed, click Create. That will save your new contact list in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully created an email contact list in Outlook. Now, whenever you want to email that group, you can simply use the contact list name instead of entering each email address manually. This is a great way to stay efficient and keep your communication organized.